Today we've got some interesting stories to explore, from SpaceX's Mars ambition, Ukraine's ban on Telegram, to Biden and Modi plan for semiconductor plant in India, amongst others. Let's dive right in. SpaceX is planning to launch 5 unscrewed starships to Mars in the next 2 years. Elon Musk's goal to colonize Mars inches closer with each launch, aiming to make life multiplanetary. While this bold plan excites space enthusiasts, it could also push advancements in space technology that trickle down to industries here on Earth, from manufacturing to AI. While SpaceX is reaching for the stars, back on Earth, nations are grappling with digital security. Ukraine has banned the use of Telegram on state-issued devices, citing Russian security threats like phishing, spreading malware, establishing user locations, and calibrating missile strikes. This decision highlights the cybersecurity risks in today's world. For the public, this ban raises awareness of how secure our communication tools really are and how government policies shape the tools we use daily. While Ukraine is securing its communications, Meta is ready to unveil its next big leap in AR and VR technology. At the upcoming Meta Connect 2024, the company is expected to unveil Quest 3, a new VR/AR headset with groundbreaking AI integration. This announcement could redefine virtual experiences, making VR more accessible for entertainment, education, and even workplace collaboration. For consumers, it means enhanced ways to interact with digital worlds, while businesses could explore new opportunities in the metaverse. As Meta pushes forward with virtual worlds, the semiconductor race is heating up in the UAE and India. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company TSMC and Samsung are considering building chip factories in the UAE. The global demand for semiconductors is skyrocketing, and this move could significantly boost the Middle Eastern tech ecosystem. This means faster production times and potentially lower costs for consumers, while also enhancing the global supply chain's resilience. Also, speaking of semiconductors, India is making big moves in this space as well, with Biden and Modi announcing a major new project. In a landmark deal, President Biden and Indian Prime Minister Modi have announced plans for a new semiconductor plant in India. This is a big step for India's tech infrastructure and a win for the global supply chain. It may also drive more affordable tech products and gadgets for consumers worldwide. While semiconductor factories grow, Siemens is accelerating the EV revolution with its latest move. Siemens is carving out its EV charging unit in a bid to speed up growth and dominate the electric vehicle infrastructure market. With EVs becoming more mainstream, this could lead to faster deployment of charging stations, making it easier for people to transition to electric cars. For the public, that means more convenience and quicker adoption of sustainable transport. Finally, legendary designer Johnny Ive is working on something groundbreaking with OpenAI. Apple's former design guru Johnny Ive is collaborating with OpenAI on a new AI-driven device. While details remain secret, this partnership could lead to revolutionary changes in how we interact with AI. Whether it's smart homes, personal assistants, or AI in healthcare, the project promises to push boundaries in tech design and usability, affecting both the public and industry players alike. That's all on today's episode. Do join us on Wednesday for another packed episode. Thank you for watching.